How to change Snapchat profile picture from gallery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So first things first, open up your Snapchat app and go to your profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. And then what you need to do is to put a profile picture from your gallery, you'll need to switch to public profile. And then from here, you'll see a photos icon, tap on it. So go ahead and choose a photo from your gallery. Choose a photo, resize it, and hit confirm. And that's it. This is how you put a profile picture on your Snapchat from gallery. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.